Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a comforting and flavorful dish, clay pot tofu with minced pork. The tofu soaks up the rich umami-packed sauce, while the minced pork adds a deliciously hearty bite. Every spoonful is bursting with flavor, making it the perfect companion to a bowl of warm rice. Let's get started. First, take a block of salt-brined tofu and crumble it into small pieces in a bowl. Next, prepare some minced pork belly. For aromatics, chop some scallions and mince a few cloves of garlic. Heat some oil in the wok and add the crumbled tofu. Spread it out evenly and let it cook over high heat. The goal here is to dry out the moisture and get a beautiful golden brown color. Once it's nicely browned, remove it from the wok. Add some oil again in the wok. Then add the minced pork. Stir fry until it changes the color. Then add 2 tablespoons of soybean paste and stir fry again to release the aroma. Next, toss in the minced garlic and scallions, giving them a quick stir. Return the golden brown tofu to the wok and add 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1½ tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. Now pour in 250 milliliters of water and season with 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon white pepper. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. After simmering, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Next, prepare a small clay pot by heating a little oil at the bottom. Transfer the cooked minced pork and tofu mixture into the clay pot. Sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for about 10 seconds. Wow, this looks so appetizing. With this dish, how many bowls of rice do you think you could eat? Wow, this is incredible. The flavors are so rich and flavorful. After a long day at work, this dish comes together just in minutes. Why not give it a try? Thanks for watching. See you next time.